Here we are showcasing our Polesaver Sleeve, which is very important for the African market. We sell a lot of Polesaver sleeves into Africa. This is vital for a lot of the utility companies because the poles are made from eucalyptus wood here, and the eucalyptus wood is not very effective against termite attack and against decay. But with a Polesaver Sleeve, the life expectancy of a pole can be increased from 3 to 5 years to 40 to 50 years. So economically, it makes sense for a lot of the African countries to adopt a Polesaver Sleeve to protect their pole assets. We also, this year, have introduced a radio frequency identification tag in all of our sleeves, so that this will help with companies to be able to track their assets. The pole networks are a very vital part of the company's assets, and they need to know exactly where their poles are and when they need to be tested and checked to make sure that everything is sound with the pole. So by putting a radio frequency identification tag, that can be tracked and managed with the company's asset tracking management system. Our target audience is all of the utility companies, the telephone companies and the power companies, and also the fence companies as well in South Africa. Companies that have problems with decay for their utility poles, and also fire fabric. This year we're introducing a fire fabric to help to protect poles against fire damage from bushfires. Last year, I believe, there were tremendous problems in South Africa with fire, and those bushfires were going through and destroying poles. That meant that the utility companies were not able to provide power to their customers and therefore not generating any revenue, but also it's costing them a fortune to replace those poles as well. And they may even be subject to penalty charges from the governments for not being able to supply a network. But if they have a fire fabric wrapped around their pole, they will protect their pole from bushfire damage. For us, Polesaver, African Utility Week is vital. It gives us an opportunity to see major players within the African market. Last year was our first time at the show, and we generated a significant number of leads from that show, and we're now able to help many companies to preserve their pole assets from both bushfires and also from rot and decay.